name's Alex Whittick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today guys, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. We got a package in the mail and that's not all for today. We're gonna be doing a 20,000 subscriber giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed, hit that post notification bell, follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI. When you're done with all that, comment down below, done. Today's video is a fun one. We're gonna be getting to the TT, but we're also gonna be hitting up Volkswagen Jetta TDI. Lots of camber. You guys know this car. I love this thing. Let's hop in this thing. Let's warm it up. Let's take it for a couple spins around the block, maybe leave the development, hit some boost, and then we'll tend to the TT. We'll get to today. All right, so we got the garage opening up. I got a little bit of a mess to clean up a little bit later on today. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video, I built a new V-band NK04 flange for the Audi TT since we're gonna be doing the hood exit. So that's a really cool video. I got really in depth with it and seems to be doing really well and people are enjoying it. So make sure you don't miss out on that. That link will be in the description. Watch that video after this video is done and let's head out. Before we start this thing up and leave the garage, I just want to point out to you guys, if you haven't seen the previous videos or if you're new to the channel, this car usually has those BBS RSs on it, but right now I'm driving this car on stocks, a 55 sidewall with a heavy amount of camber. You don't even notice you have the camber. So I've actually started daily driving this TDI. I have a daily Mark 6 TDI. Most of you guys know about that car, but I haven't even driven in a couple weeks. I've just strictly been driving the TDI during this quarantine time. So I hope you guys are staying safe, but I'm gonna hop in this thing and I wanna go for some rips. I need my daily dose and let's enjoy. Every time before I go into driving this car, regardless if I have stance wheels on or stock wheels, I always go ahead and I check my tire pressure. This tire has a slow leak in it. It's only at 25 PSI, so I'm gonna pump it up. I'm gonna check all the other ones and then we're gonna head out. Tires at 50 PSI. Let's go hit some boost, have some fun, come back to the house and get started on the TT. A little bit of first. Car's all warmed up by now. Car drives absolutely amazing, drives like a stock car on these wheels. If you have a heavily cambered car and you're on some 3-piece wheels having no contact patch, highly suggest you get some 55 sidewall tires, some stocks maybe, and try to run it because this thing runs absolutely amazing and I'm not upset at all with it. It's so nice, but I'm gonna go do a few more laps and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. It's a stance car, but I don't treat it like that at all. I want to make sure you guys are safe with your cars and you have fun. I'm heading back to the house now and let's hit the TT. Just got back home. My parents actually just headed out. I'm going to Costco getting my dad a new TV. Lightning struck the house a few weeks back and killed all the garage door openers in my garage, all the sensors at least, and also killed my dad's TV, the Wi-Fi router, my neighbor's PS4. Like everyone got messed up. Anyway guys, this is a fun little weekend project. So I'm gonna turn this TT around, pull her inside the garage, and let's get to the work. Can't find the TT's keys. It's freezing out here. It's literally 35 degrees, 30-mile-an-hour winds. It's terrible, but I can find these keys. I got the spare key, but anyway, guys, if you guys missed yesterday's video, like I said, I built this flange right here. That's it. You don't want to miss out on that video, so make sure you check that out once this video is over. But let's start this TT up, back it up, and put it in this garage where it is nice and warm. Guys, if we can get 500 likes on this video, I will be giving away this BBS RS center cap. I already gave away 2 for a 10,000 subscriber giveaway, but if we can reach 500 likes on this video, I'll be giving someone who liked the video this BBS RS cap, and yeah, I think it's sick. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but that serpentine belt is not happy. We still need to get the new tensioner for it. We got that new belt. We released that video the other day. That video's doing all right, but I'm gonna pull this into the garage. Let's jack this thing up. So I got the TT in the garage. I got both the garage doors closed because you guys know the wind is brutal out there. I've already complained about it enough times. The car does remind me of like a high schooler though. You know, like with the kind of like tinted windows. These windows are stock tint though, so don't think that they're actually tinted. The top is black. It's got the black wheels. Thankfully it doesn't have like the blacked out, you know, emblem in the front, but I don't know, this car just reminds me of like a high schooler. It looks kind of sleek, but it's not really the look I'm trying to go for on this car. So I'm gonna throw the RSs on the driver's side. I'm not gonna throw them on the passenger side because they're gonna stick out too far, but I think we might even take the wheel spacers off just to see how it fits in the front because I don't know, these RSs might look good on here and I'd much rather come home and park my cars and look at the TT with nice aggressive wheels on it than just look at it like this. So let's go ahead and throw these on. So I just took off these spacing slash adapters. I believe it adapts it from a 5x112 to a 5x114. Could be incorrect, but anyway, I went to throw that on there and I realized I couldn't bolt the wheel up. The brake caliper sticks out so far that it hits the back of the RS. So I'm gonna have to go ahead, throw that adapter back on there, sadly. It fits really well, it does, so it's not a big deal. I'm gonna take the adapter off in the front though and see if it fits. Because if it fits, we won't run it, but we will have to run it in the back. I think the only proper word for this is wow. Like, this came out so much better. I know before, like, a lot of people were probably really digging the black wheels, the black on black with, you know, a little bit of silver, but I absolutely love the chrome slash, you know, polished lip face look. And it really just, see, we got the polished wheels there, we got the Audi symbol there. It really just all just flows. There's only one thing to do now. We got to get this thing out of the garage, see it roll, maybe even see it drive, do some 2-steps, and yeah, kick this Saturday off. Couldn't get the spacer off the front because there was no one that was able to apply the brakes for me. I wasn't sure if my impact would get off. The person that did it before me just put it on there lightly because every other bolt on his car is loose, but it wasn't the case, thankfully. I mean, you don't want your wheels come loose, so I'm gonna hop in the TT. Let's get to it. We've had this setup out here before, but these bolts aren't coming off after this video, so I'm really excited about that. Also, when I showed the video last time, we didn't have crazy camber in the back. This car is sitting on -7 right now. It actually looks way more pronounced when you're looking at it from this angle other than from the front. But yeah, this thing looks really good. I'm super excited about these wheels, and I'm super excited that, you know, you guys are watching and enjoying the content. I can't wait for us to get rid of those exhaust pipes that are coming out the rear. This combo just goes so hard. I can't wait till the front wheels are at least cambered as much as the back wheels, and the back wheels sit really well. Now, I'm not a big fan of the whole like massive lips type look, but maybe bigger lips on this car would be good just because of the way the body actuates itself, and because I don't want to run spacers on this thing, so we might have to get, you know, a more deep face on there. But yeah, this thing is looking really, really good. Hopefully you guys like it, but let's get some rolling shots. So in this car, I have heat, I have all the necessities. I'm gonna go out for a little drive in this thing. I wanna see how the wheels feel, if it feels unbalanced. Like I told you guys, I really don't like spacers that don't have the centering ring. Oh, there's so much rubbing. Oh my God, this thing is rubbing like crazy. You hate to hear it, these poor RSs, the poor clean fenders on the TT. That is smoking so bad. Well, I toasted the fender. Yeah, so the TT's fender is completely destroyed. This maybe wasn't the best idea. I did want to take off those spacers, but I didn't. I could have added camber. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. The TDI pulled back into the garage. The TT did not fare so well on the fender, as you guys saw. Man, that stinks. I don't want to ruin the paint too much. It doesn't look like there's any Bondo or anything in there, luckily. Sometimes, you know, you get a fat fender full of Bondo. But, I mean, that stinks. That fender was a slightly bit crunched, but it wasn't a big deal. This side wasn't looking so good. You know, this side had already been messed up. But I guess this is a static build, so who really cares? But I'm gonna pull a TT back into its spot. So TT's back in its spot. These fenders are destroyed. There's no real saving them. I got some cardboard. I'm gonna tuck it up in there. I'm gonna drive forward, and we're gonna get this car to fold it right back out. Fingers crossed. Well, clearly that cardboard did not fix that fender. I'll incorporate that in another video. We'll fix that fender, we'll make it look good. But guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just a Saturday hanging out at the house. I'm still waiting on some parts for the hood exit, so we'll be getting to that really soon. Hopefully you guys do hit the link in my description and check out yesterday's video. We made that flange. It looks awesome. The V-band up to the KO4 looks great. Also guys, don't forget about that 20,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that post notification bell, follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI, and comment down below done. But guys, I hope you're staying safe, enjoying your cars, enjoy today's video, you're smiling, and you know, loving your car. So don't anyone put you down. Keep loving your build. Keep up doing what you're doing. You're doing great. Also comment down below what kind of cars you guys are working on during this quarantine. I really want to figure that out. I've seen a few of you guys comment on previous videos, but the more people I hear from, the cooler it is. And I love hearing about your builds. A lot of cool builds out there, and it's crazy how many people from the UK keep telling me about their crazy builds. So let me hear them. So on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. I got lots of videos planned for this week. Got lots of parts coming in, so stay excited, and peace.
Whoa.